Chevrolet Cruze 2011 to 2016. Removing the speaker itself is very easy, just disconnect the connector and unscrew one mounting bolt. However, you must first remove the door panel. To do this, unscrew one bolt behind the door handle and a second one in the armrest. Using plastic trim tool, pry the panel from the bottom to release the 7/8 clips. Then, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors.